Hi, this is Cho-Z from BeybladeWorld.net. This video is called the Beyblade Christmas Special Unboxing of the Beyblade Ultimate DX Set. And this is the box. It comes with 3 Beyblades. Dual Uranus, a stamina type, Winged Pegasus, an attack type, and Drago Guardian, a defense type. And here are the Beyblades. Now let's see the back. The back shows what parts it is and what modes it comes in. And these Beyblades are really nice and powerful. And now I'll open it. First, here are the Beyblade parts. As you can see, they're very nice. And before I get to the Beyblades, I first should get the other part. I'll need my scissors for this. It comes with an LR launcher. LR stands for left and right. And it's very nice. And I think this is in right or left. And I'll cut off the plastic first so you can see a better look at it. And here's the launcher. Right now, I think it's in right spin mode, as you can see right here. Now I'll get to the Beyblades. Oh, wait, there's some stickers. I should first get it. Here are the stickers for the 3 Beyblades: Drago Guardian, Winged Pegasus, and Dual Uranus. And now I'll get out the Beyblades. I'll just cut up the plastic so it's easier. There we go. I'll first get out Winged Pegasus' parts. It seems the fusion wheel is stuck onto it. Here we go. Now I'll get out the track and the tip. Now I'll put all the parts together for a Winged Pegasus. Now here's the first Beyblade, Winged Pegasus, and it's an attack type. Now I'll get out Drago Guardian's parts. And also, I guess the figure for Drago Guardian is also stuck. Okay, now I got out the fusion wheel. I'll get out the other 2 parts for Drago Guardian. I'll first put Drago Guardian's parts together. And here's our Drago Guardian, a defense type. And now we'll get out dual Uranus's parts. There we go. I'll put all of it together. And here's dual Uranus, a stamina type. And here's the toolbar, and it comes with 2 special metal faces. These metal faces help the Beyblades. And now I'll put on the stickers. And now with the stickers on, they look very nice. For dual Uranus, wing Pegasus, and El Drago Guardian. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.